If you've ever seen any of my videos on microgreens and thought maybe that was something you wanted to get into, now is the time. I'm starting my microgreens course again. It starts on November 4th, but we've got a webinar that you can come and check out this Monday, October 28th. There's going to be a ton of free information in there. And the early bird registration goes until midnight, Tuesday, October 29th. So if you want to get in for a cheaper price, you want to do that before then or on the webinar on Monday. But this course is fully comprehensive. Everything from what to plant, how to plant it, how to maintain and manage your crops, to how to sell them, how to approach customers, how to build relationships with different types of market streams, whether they be distribution hubs, restaurants, retail, how to package and sell everything. This course takes you from every aspect of microgreens to the final product of delivering that product and making money. We've got a way to show you how to start making $500 a week really quickly in this course. And from the minute you start the course, we encourage you to start some crops right out of the gate so that you can basically start tinkering and learning as you go. The course is 5 weeks long, starts November 4th and wraps up on December 8th, but you have access to the content forever. That time frame just represents the time that I'm in the course there with you, and we do a weekly webinar each week where you can ask me questions and I can check on your guys' progress, motivate you, and just be there to help out as you go along. So this course covers any kind of way you want to grow microgreens. I started doing microgreens in my basement, which was well over 10 years ago now. And then I even eventually did them in my kitchen. I've done microgreens in a small nursery greenhouse, all the way up to a greenhouse. Well, in fact, this greenhouse that I'm in now doesn't have any microgreens in it at the moment, but this greenhouse used to produce over 400 flats a week when we were really cranking. You know, one of the greatest things about microgreens as a crop to get into farming, but also just as a business, is it's really easy to start making money right away. And you can use that in many different ways. You might want to just be a microgreens farmer and just do microgreens, and you want to do it in your garage, a small greenhouse, in your kitchen like I did, or whatever. Or you might be a market gardener that's looking for a way to add another market stream and something that can carry you over into the winter. And ever since I got into microgreens many years ago now, it was the thing that allowed me to keep my business operating year round. It kept the cash coming in, you know, in December, January, February, and March were the 4 slowest months on our farm, but it allowed us to keep an income, you know, of at least $1,000 a week at the slowest months of the year, so that I could keep somebody working, or I could afford to take some time off but not have to worry about putting out cash to pay for somebody when there's not money being made. And that's really important in a business to do that. So if that sounds like it interests you, join me on Monday, October 28th. There's going to be a link in the show notes, and you can sign up for the course right now if you like, or you can just come and check out the webinar. In that webinar, we'll kind of show you the back end of the course, explain how it works, kind of talk about the community that's in there, and just give you some confidence in your ability to take it to the next level. So hope you guys will join me there. Again, link is in the show notes. Hope to see you then.